Ready to elevate your kitchen? Dive into 12 transformative remodel ideas that will turn your cooking space into a stunning, functional masterpiece. Let's get started. Hey everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Today, we're diving into some exciting kitchen remodel ideas that can transform your space into a functional and stylish hub. Whether you're planning a major overhaul or a few small changes, these 12 ideas are sure to inspire you. Kitchens are the heart of the home, where meals are prepared and memories are made. A well-designed kitchen can not only enhance your cooking experience, but also add significant value to your home. From practical upgrades to stylish overhauls, we've curated a list of the best kitchen remodel ideas to help you create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Let's get started. First up, open shelving. This trend is perfect for creating an airy feel and showcasing your beautiful dishware and decor. Replacing bulky upper cabinets with sleek, open shelves adds a personal touch and makes everything easily accessible. You can introduce a variety of materials and colors, like wood for a rustic look or metal for an industrial vibe. Open shelving encourages organization and a clutter-free kitchen. If dust or tidiness is a concern, mix open shelves with closed cabinets. This balance keeps everyday items handy while hiding less frequently used items. Open shelving can make your kitchen feel more spacious, modern, and inviting. Next, consider two-tone cabinets. Mixing different colors or finishes for your upper and lower cabinets can add a modern, stylish touch to your kitchen. Imagine pairing light, airy upper cabinets with darker, grounding lower cabinets. This contrast not only adds visual interest but also helps to define different areas within your kitchen. You can also play with different materials, such as combining painted cabinets with natural wood finishes. This blend creates a dynamic look that feels both cohesive and unique. Two-tone cabinets are a great way to experiment with color without overwhelming the space. For a more subtle effect, choose shades within the same color family or go bold with contrasting hues. Two-tone cabinets can also help to highlight specific features in your kitchen, like a beautiful countertop or a stunning backsplash. By drawing the eye to different levels, you create a sense of depth and dimension. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary style, two-tone cabinets offer endless possibilities for personalization and creativity. Let's talk about quartz countertops. Quartz is not only durable and low maintenance, but also comes in a variety of colors and patterns, making it a popular choice for many homeowners. Its non-porous surface resists stains and scratches, which is perfect for a busy kitchen. You get the look of natural stone without the upkeep, and it's easy to clean with just soap and water. Quartz also offers a sleek, modern aesthetic that can elevate any kitchen design. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more elaborate, there's a quartz option to match. It pairs well with both contemporary and traditional cabinetry, making it versatile. Installing quartz countertops is a great way to add both style and functionality to your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with smart appliances. Imagine preheating your oven from your phone on your way home or getting alerts when your dishwasher cycle is complete. Smart refrigerators can help you keep track of groceries and suggest recipes based on what you have. These appliances bring convenience and efficiency, making your kitchen more functional and enjoyable. Smart ovens offer precise cooking settings, ensuring perfect results every time. Induction cooktops with touch controls and safety features make cooking easier and safer. Integrating smart technology into your kitchen can streamline your daily routines and add a modern touch to your home. With smart appliances, you can turn your kitchen into a high-tech, user-friendly space. A large kitchen island can be a game changer. It provides extra workspace for meal prep and cooking, making it easier to spread out and stay organized. With added storage underneath, you can keep pots, pans, and utensils within easy reach. A kitchen island also creates a central gathering spot for family and friends, perfect for casual dining or entertaining. You can incorporate seating options like bar stools to make it a multifunctional area for eating or socializing. Choose a countertop material that complements your kitchen design, whether it's quartz, granite, or butcher block. An island can also house additional features like a sink, cooktop, or wine fridge. This versatile addition enhances both the functionality and aesthetic of your kitchen, making it a true focal point. Improve your kitchen with under-cabinet lighting. This feature enhances visibility on your countertops, making tasks like chopping and reading recipes easier. LED strips or puck lights are popular choices, offering bright, energy-efficient illumination. They also add a warm ambience, creating a cozy atmosphere for evening meals. Under-cabinet lighting highlights your backsplash and countertops, showcasing their design and texture. It's a simple upgrade that can make your kitchen feel more modern and inviting. Installation is straightforward, and many options are available with dimmable settings for adjustable lighting levels. This practical and stylish addition can dramatically improve the look and functionality of your kitchen. Make a statement with a bold backsplash. Choose eye-catching tiles or unique materials like stainless steel or glass to create a focal point in your kitchen. A vibrant backsplash can add color, texture, and personality to your space, making it stand out. Consider patterns like herringbone, subway tiles with contrasting grout, or even custom mosaics for a distinctive look. A bold backsplash can complement neutral cabinets and countertops, adding a pop of visual interest without overwhelming the space. It's also functional, protecting your walls from splashes and spills. With endless design options, a striking backsplash can truly transform the heart of your home. Optimize your pantry storage with smart upgrades. Install pull-out shelves to make every item easily accessible, eliminating the need to dig through cluttered spaces. Clear containers and labeled bins help keep everything organized and visible, so you always know what you have. Add door racks for spices and small items, maximizing every inch of space. Consider adding adjustable shelving to accommodate items of various sizes, from cereal boxes to canned goods. A well-organized pantry makes meal prep more efficient and grocery shopping a breeze. By upgrading your pantry, you create a streamlined, functional storage solution that keeps your kitchen tidy and your ingredients easy to find. A farmhouse sink can be both practical and stylish. Its large, deep basin provides ample space for washing dishes, pots, and pans, making cleanup easier. The classic apron front design adds a charming, rustic touch to any kitchen, blending seamlessly with various decor styles. Farmhouse sinks are available in a range of materials, including porcelain, stainless steel, and fireclay, allowing you to choose one that fits your aesthetic and needs. Their durable construction ensures they can handle heavy use while maintaining their beauty. Installing a farmhouse sink not only enhances functionality but also creates a focal point that can elevate the entire look of your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with high-quality fixtures. Replacing your faucet with a stylish, modern design can instantly refresh the space. Look for features like pull-down sprayers and touchless technology for added convenience. Similarly, updating cabinet hardware to sleek, contemporary handles or knobs can make a significant impact. Choose finishes that complement your overall kitchen design, such as brushed nickel, matte black, or brass. These small changes can bring a cohesive, polished look to your kitchen. High-quality fixtures not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also improve the functionality and durability of your kitchen, providing both style and practicality. Maximize space with hidden storage solutions in your kitchen. Toe-kick drawers provide extra storage for items like baking trays and cutting boards without taking up valuable cabinet space. Pull-out spice racks keep seasonings organized and easily accessible while optimizing pantry or cabinet shelves. Consider built-in wine racks or shelves for displaying cookbooks, utilizing otherwise unused areas efficiently. Install appliance garages to keep countertop appliances like mixers and blenders out of sight when not in use. These hidden storage solutions help maintain a clean and organized kitchen, reducing clutter and enhancing functionality. Now, let's explore the benefits of incorporating mixed materials into your kitchen design. By combining elements like wood, metal, and stone, you can create a visually dynamic and texturally rich space. For instance, a wooden island countertop paired with sleek metal fixtures and a stone backsplash can add depth and contrast. Mixing materials allows you to achieve a personalized aesthetic that reflects your style preferences. It also offers versatility in terms of design, whether you prefer a modern, industrial look or a more rustic, farmhouse feel. Additionally, different materials can serve functional purposes, such as durability in high-traffic areas or enhancing the overall warmth of the kitchen environment. By carefully blending materials, you can create a cohesive yet visually intriguing kitchen that stands out as a focal point in your home. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the practicality and longevity of your kitchen space. In conclusion, transforming your kitchen into a functional and stylish space doesn't have to be overwhelming. By incorporating these 12 remodel ideas, such as open shelving, two-tone cabinets, quartz countertops, smart appliances, and more, you can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your kitchen. Whether you're aiming for a modern look with sleek lines and high-tech features or a cozy, rustic feel with natural materials and clever storage solutions, there are options to suit every taste and lifestyle. Remember, the key to a successful kitchen remodel lies in thoughtful planning and selecting elements that not only reflect your personal style, but also improve the efficiency of your everyday tasks. By investing in quality materials, smart design choices, and innovative storage solutions, you can create a kitchen that not only meets your needs, but also becomes the heart of your home. If you found these tips helpful, please consider liking this video, sharing it with your friends who might be interested, and subscribing to our channel for more home improvement ideas and inspiration. Happy remodeling!